we've gone about 9 miles. We were going to try one a bit further up towards south, but we just happened to stop at Enkirch just to see if the service point was open, and we saw that there was people out and about in their vans at the service point. There was 6 here originally, there's 5 now including us. We've just asked a German gentleman from Cockham, or according to his number plate he's from there, if we had to pay, and he went, nope, it's all free.
So we're just going in on the hunt now for a service point to see if we can fill up with water, but we're not very hopeful.
Yeah, a lot of it might be turned off due to it being technically their winter.
Yeah.
They don't want pipes freezing and so on. But those vans over there, they're up on the chocks, they're connected to the electric, they've got the satellite dishes outside, they've got the solar panels outside on the smaller vans. It looks like they're definitely using it, so we're probably going to stop here tonight,
I'm just going to have to
possibly tomorrow. Right, I'm going to have to carry on talking to you because the dog's just making herself aware. But the view behind us is good. Look at that, that's lovely. River's looking fairly busy, quite choppy. But yeah, they reckon that there's parking for 200 vans here. Electricity is at each of those concrete markers if you want it, if you don't want it, and it's on a first come first served basis. So if you want a view of the Mosel, you get here early, you park up, you pay your €8 a night, and you stop for as long as you like.
€8? What's that?
€8? Yeah, couldn't park in Manchester Centre for €8 a day.
I can
Anyway.
see all the waste bins down there.
Yeah.
So maybe
it's looking good for our last few days, and we do love it here.
we do. Even though it is quite chilly today. But look at the blue sky.
Yeah, lovely blue sky.
Fabulous.
And the view behind us.
Yeah, nice in the sun. Not so great as soon as you get out of it.
Yeah, I might need a glove from my GoPro hand because it's freezing. It's like walking around a ghost town. It's Friday lunchtime, and it's empty. There's only us.
Oh, you can hear there's our footsteps. That might be open later.
Okay.
There's this cake in
But yeah, quiet little town. Lots
Very
of guest
pretty.
houses, lots of old town
there.
buildings. Oh, crikey, a car. We better go. It's Meister George. He appears to be a champion pork and sausage maker, but maybe just in this village. Ooh. It looked good.
Get some.
I don't want nothing.
Get out the road.
It's on the other side of the road. But yeah.
All I ever say.
Yeah, that's all she ever says. In a country where they drive at 20 miles an hour. More at risk from a pedal cyclist. At least I hear the cars coming. Oh my god, look, 2 cars. But still nobody moving. And this is where we are. Enkirch.
I'm stood here next to my husband. He's too chicken to go and buy himself
Some chicken.
meat.
I'm chicken to buy chicken and worst. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm tied up round you again.
Yeah, it's alright. Well, you can decide which way you want to go back now, because we can cut over by the river and go and have a look at the lock, because there's the lock and the dam there, or we can find a different way through the village rather than past that barking dog trapped in a car.
Okay, well let's go over there.
Yeah, it's a little bit windy, so I'm going to try and keep my voice nice and clear. In the mid-90s, and typically I believe it was 1993, Europe suffered some major flooding. The Rhine, the Mosel, the Main and the Neckar all flooded. It was to such an extent it threatened a lot of Holland and Amsterdam. It was one of the first time in over 200 years that the dikes in Amsterdam were threatened by the floodwaters. Large parts of Germany were flooded, and then they built these to control the flow of the water. They are massive dams with locks big enough to take the huge cargo ships that ply these rivers. We've actually been on one of the cruise ships, and to see these things fall 30 to 40 metres is tremendous. I'm going to have a walk around the other side and show you how far it drops. Well, the short walk has sort of turned out into a
yomp.
A bit of a longer walk. We're back high above the plains, walking the dog, just making the most of the dry sunny weather.
Making the most of being able to be out.
Yeah, you know, we're gonna have to change that. We might be free again by the time this video is published, but
yeah, right.
But yeah, we've got 2 more days. We travel home on Monday, and then it's isolation time.
Yay!
Yay!
So we've got things to do.
Yeah,
it's not so grim.
Yeah, we can clean the van and
Drink
process
wine.
videos and drink all the beer that I bought.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just enjoying it. Don't know what the weather's going to do for the rest of the weekend. I think tomorrow's meant to be quite nice, but we might try and get to Zal and the Schwartz cats for tomorrow.
Not that it'll be open, but
No, but It'll be a nice walk or a nice ride, depending on what we do.
Watch where you're walking.
I am. I'm watching the puddles. I'm not looking at the camera and then treading in a load of sludge. But it's nice up here. Buff's having a fun time off her lead.
It's nice and warm.
It's reasonable.
Yeah. Well, I have got about 14 layers on, but yeah, no, I think it's fine.
Yeah, but it's nice. We'll carry on. What have you found, Puff? What is it?
What is it?
Come on. I'm sure it's crickets or something.
Yeah.
Come on, you crazy dog. Come on, Buff. Who's a good girl? What a grand view. Look at that. You've got the river, you've got a big barge, you've got a wine press, you've got a crazy dog, vines, forest, somebody's amazing house on top of a hill up there. And I can just about see Brian from here, just over there. Looks like we've been joined by another friend in the van, but we'll see. Looks like the dog's just had a little jump at everything again. She's a crazy animal. Well, what feels a long time ago, we picked up a bottle of Lafroig, single Scotch whisky. It's not the very best, but
It's from Isla.
it's from Isla, and
I will take you there one day.
maybe she will. Maybe we'll take the van. It's a
No,
golden
that's,
brown.
No, that's my beer.
It's not.
It is, so it is.
Oh, maybe it is. That's why it's golden brown.
He's not giving me any.
No, because you haven't drunk your beer yet. Right. Okay, tell a lie. It's
Pale gold.
Very pale gold.
Smells of TCP and seaweed.
It actually does smell very antiseptic.
It's beautiful.
I don't know what's the matter with her. She's only had a couple of beers. I think the sunshine and the bright golden light has got to her head.
I came, I saw, I drank.
Yeah, Veni, Vidi, Bibi, definitely. But
But yeah.
there you go. Yeah, but there's a peaty.
Seaweedy.
The Germans would say it's Rausch. It's definitely got a
it's
smoky.
definitely not no. It's not Rausch.
Mm. It's
Oh, it smells
it's so
of oak and just age and
I think she's trying to say it smells like old ladies.
no, I don't. It just, well, it sort of does because it's medicinal and old ladies.
Yeah, it's pleasant.
Oh, do you know what? I can't wait to finish my beer so that I can try some of this. But
It's a very pleasant tippler, and people have
beautiful.
probably missed some of our very strange drinking reviews.
Well, anything very strange is okay.
We do
with
make
us.
Keith Floyd look like
like a wimp, really.
yeah, a wimp, really. Yeah.
Anyway, I can't wait to try it, but it smells like beasting great.
It's lovely. Lafroig, Isla, single malt, Scotch whisky.
We will go there one day.
From Andorra, tax free, Billy Bargain. Lovely on our last but one night here.